had to bet, you had to bet on one primary inflection point, that would take tokenized real estate from early adoption to mainstream, what would that be? Obviously, I know that you're emphasized the importance of data a lot of times, but apart from that, is there anything else that you would like to bring up?
The answer has to be all of the above. All of the above. It's a combination of these elements, and when we find equilibrium, that's when I think the market will take off. I still think that the information about the underlying assets, because they sit in private markets, is the weakest link. And so that will have to play a bit of catch up in order to meet the maturity of the other elements. Those are real consequences when we don't manage real estate itself correctly. And now we're saying above that, we are going to financialize it at a speed that capital markets have never seen before. Already public equities move very quickly, and we're saying, well, let's tokenize it and they'll move even faster. If anyone's looked at a chart, we know just how much activity is happening in markets. Now taking that and applying it to real estate, which in many ways is held together by shoestring and bubblegum, very loosely, that could have dire consequences. We might be getting ahead of ourselves.
When institutions came into play on top of regulation, when institutions came into the digital assets world and crypto world and started allocating some of their investments, 5% or so, into crypto and Bitcoin, the treasury management and so on, that's where adoption scaled as well. When institutions come into the mix and start investing in RWAs, tokenized RWAs in the real estate space, I think that's where we're going to see massive shifts in capital and liquidity and speed and execution in this space altogether.